Hey guys, my name is Marcia.
My name is Tyler.
Right now, we're in front of the cooking class and we're going to interview some of our friends.
Marcia, what food are they currently making?
I think they're making an Indonesian dessert called kolak.
Oh, let's check it out.
Hi Arl, what are you making right now?
I'm making pisang kolak. Pisang kolak consists of a few ingredients, a few slices of ubi, banana, gula aren, and so on.
Wow, it smells really good.
Yeah, do you want to try?
Oh yeah, sure. Wow.
Hello Emma. So, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really happy right now because as you can see, the ubi is cooking really well. But I think I add too much daun pandan. Right now I'm chopping the bananas. Would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, that kolak was really tasty.
Yeah, I agree with that.
For those of you who are interested in cooking, don't forget to join our cooking class in SMP Santa Laurensia.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.
See you next year.